the topic of today's video, it's command cp copy. So it's a short from copy. What it's doing, it's copying the files from one folder to another, or in the same folder with a different name, so it may duplicate. Also, you can make a copy of one file, so of course you can make a copy of many files, and can copy files with a mask, so it's like asterisks or some kind of commands and so forth. So let's copy one file. First, let's check where we are. So in the root folder, so let's go to the C delta lambda C command C, then we go into the CD, change it to home directory, and here we look for folder WordPress, because there is a lot of folders. Let's first remove it. rm WordPress. Of course, as in previous lesson, we need to put the argument r cursive to delete it. Okay, so now we have to unzip it. Latest zip clear to prepare our working folder. So okay, again cp. Let's check what is commands available for that. So it's main, as usual, copy a hyphen, so we can make a hyphen away. Attributes only, the force, so it means link difference, no difference, preserve, recursive, copy directive recursively, and update verbose version. Cool. So let's clear the screen. So lc cd WordPress, let's go first in WordPress, and let's copy the file, for example index.php, to the folder. So let's create folder mk make directory folder for test lc. So let's copy to that folder the index.php file, index.php. So cp index.php, and where we want to copy that folder test. Done. Let's check the folder tx for test content, as we see here. So we're using, don't forget, we're using the command tree. It was in the previous lesson, we studied that. It's more handy, by the way. So 3 folders, trees. Great. So let's copy the folder. Oh, let's copy the couple of files. So cp index, license txt, and for example vp activate php2 folder for test. Done. Again 3. So let's look what is inside. As we see, these 2 files are here. Now let's copy the folder then. For example vp copy cp vp content 2 folder for test. Done. As we see that in order to copy the folders, we have to point out that we want to copy it with files inside of it. So we have to add recursive argument like that, and now we're done. So let's check it out again. 3 folder test. As we see, we copy that folder, the big folder here, VB content is here. Clear again. So now let's rename folder. So with the CP we can rename, so like folder for test. Let's rename it to for example new folder, new F. So let's add the R. Done. Now let's check it out. What is we have here? So new F, we have new F here, and let's check what is inside of it. ls new F. Let's add for the fun the L. That's been long argument. As we see, this is that folder what we have before. It's called folder for test. Now we copy that, and it's created the duplicate of this, the clone of this folder, but with another name. So we also can copy with confirmation. So for example, let's copy with confirmation. How we'll do this? We will write like air, it's mean of course recursive, and inform argument. So let's copy the new F to, let's say, to folder for test. Done. Well, we need to copy identical files, but anyway, so that's all. Yes, as you see, I tried to copy again new F to folder test because there is a folder, new F folder in folder for test. So he asked us overwrite, and we have to answer yes, overwrite. So as you see, he will ask for every file because it's recursive.